Here's our Lufkin POC again. Wanted to get a little bit better close up of the screen in case the numbers are kind of hard to read. Again, I wanted to go over the information that's offered on this screen. We have our current load, which is real-time load, how many pounds are actually on the transducer. We have our current position, which is in inches where it is in the stroke at that particular time. We have our peak load. Our present peak load, 16,442 pounds with 22,000 allowed. If it hits that 22,000 pounds, it'll shut the well down, so hopefully we prevent the rods from being pulled apart. Minimum load, right now that is going to be the lowest amount of weight sensed by that transducer. Right now we're at 6410. It'll allow 500, and then it'll shut the well down if it gets below that, meaning that the rods have stacked out. We have our pump fillage, which is actually, there's a setting, it's set at 70%, which means when it hits 70% or less, it's actually going to slow that well down a stroke a minute roughly, and see if it can regain some fluid level. Currently we're at 61%, so we're actually in the slower mode right now. If it would happen to go well below the 60%, say it get into 20-30%, it'll actually shut the well down for an hour or so and then restart, and hopefully then you'll have better pump fillage. So just wanted to get a close-up of that. I'll go ahead and reset so you can see it trace the surface and pump card. Again, the top is the surface card, the bottom is what's happening downhole with the pump card. This is our zero line, so anything below this is actually negative numbers, and anything above it, of course, is going to be positive. And we have all of your weight measurements right here in pounds, and your position rods, where the actual stroke is in inches, is indicated right here. So we can see roughly at 60 inches of that rod stroke, we're actually running out of fluid. And if you look, you'll actually see a fluid pound at the wellhead right there. Thank you.